If you live in the Bay Area and like to go fishing, watch this video. Every week, we try and make a fishing report talking about where the fish are biting here in the San Francisco Bay, and the topic of this week has been the striped bass. Most party boats are limiting within a few hours, and the bite is super good in the morning in San Pablo Bay. I would suggest fishing from jetties as we've had the most luck fishing topwater spooks and our JZ Fishing Super Swimmer swim baits. This is a reminder that if you catch a big fish on our swim baits, you get a chance at winning a $1,000 kayak for completely free. If you want to pick up some of our swim baits today and have a chance at winning this kayak, check out the link in our bio, and if this fishing report helped you at all, please consider giving us a follow.